Girls, you happy?
We're very happy.
You having fun? You having fun?
Having fun.
Did you go in the water?
No, there's lightning.
Oh, so they chased you out.
Where?
Did you go in the water?
Yes, in my shower I went in the water.
Say hello.
I thought you were just taking pictures. I didn't know the
It's a movie camera.
That is really neat.
Say hello. Hello, Raj. How are you?
Okay.
I missed you all summer, Raj.
I miss being down here too.
You going to come down to the pool at all? Okay, I'm counting on it. This is video.
Oh, hi. How are you, Hannah?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
Are you sure that's you? You without a bathing suit? I can't tell.
Video.
Oh, it's a video?
What's your name?
My name is Anna Fowler Kamenetsky.
And who's your daughter?
My daughter is a beautiful Diane Flaherty.
And
Her
what does
daughter
she do?
is Dana.
And what does Diane do?
She's a wonderful businesswoman. She owns her own title company.
Yeah. And she's my very good friend,
And
isn't
she's
she?
just Hannah's best friend.
Yeah.
And she
And we do business together, don't we?
Yes, you do.
Are you having a good time tonight here at Delaire Landing?
Yes, I am. I'm having a good time.
Okay. Hi. HelpfulHannes.com. HelpfulHannes.com. Hi. Are you having fun tonight at Delaire Landing? Every night, right? So wonderful.
Is that where we are?
Oh, you don't? Why not?
I thought we were in Michael.
And there's Arlene. She's on the board.
We're not
Thank
be
you.
on the board.
I don't blame you. It's a thankless job.
Which board are you?
How you doing, Natalie?
Wait, want to karaoke.
Dance.
Gotta put the record back. Gotta put
You look great. That's the first time I've ever seen you look. I always wondered who the lady is in the black.
What's a cassette, Cindy?